Hello coin engineers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to explain you and show you how can you use Bonkbot and how can you buy Solana meme coins from DIP. Let's get started. First of all, as you can see on my screen, we are at the Bonkbot, and Bonkbot is the just Telegram bot to buy and sell some Solana meme coins fastly and so quickly. First of all, we need to use this command, and that's the /start command. And right now, I have already used this Bonkbot to buy and sell some meme coins so fastly. Right now, for example, Boot position overweight. For example, I have just one Boot position, and that's right now 92%, minus 92%. I have a profit, unfortunately. Yes, market cap is $10,000 when I bought the Boot meme coin. If I'm not mistaken, it was $40,000 right now, and my balance is 0.050 Solana. And right now, first of all, we need to do that. If you have no any amount in your balance, first of all, you need to click wallet. After waiting a little bit, then you will see your own unique address. That's your unique address. Just click it and you can increase your balance. You can transfer funds from centralized exchange like Binance, Gate.io, Kucoin, etc. Which one can support Solana, because we need to deposit Solana in there at Solana network, at Solana blockchain network, and then you can withdraw whole Solana or withdraw a minimum a little bit amount X Solana, for example. And then if you need to see your own Bonkbot wallet to your own Phantom, Software, or another Solana exchange wallet, you need to click export private key, and then you can just pass your private key into your wallet, and that's it. That's the a little bit part about wallet. First of all, we need to explain buy. For example, I had already a ticket like Boot, and in there I need to just token that fund because I did wrongly. For example, I need to token address, and yes, Boot. So Bonkbot saw that Boot, and right now price is 0.401, and we need to just click. If you have in your balance minimum of 1 Sol, you can just click buy 1 Solana, and quickly it will fill it. I mean, your orders will fill by Bonkbot. And for example, I have a little bit Solana. That's why you just click buy X Solana and then put this amount. And yes, initiating buy. Transaction sent. That's so fast and quick. Yes, that's it. That's it. And our profit is that. Our value, I mean, Boot's wallet is that. And right now we have over 20,000 Boot token, and it takes just, if I'm not mistaken, minimum of 3 or 4 seconds at the Bonkbot side. But when you want to buy the token at the Radium, at the Jupiter, first of all, you need to copy, paste, and then read the slippage, and slippage amounts can be error, can be cause of error, and there's a lot of work, there's a lot of problems and errors, but in there is no any error, there is no any taking of time. Just pass your amount and then you can sell as a same way. For example, click same 25% and initiating transaction sent. That's it, just 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And then, for example, you want to sell amounts, click sell X%, and which 1% between 0 and 100%, you can put the amount, for example, just 1%, transaction sent, waiting for confirmation, and yes, that's it. Sold 1% of full Boot token amount, and yes, you can click scan to see your own transaction on Solana scan, Bird Eye, Explorer, and you can sell again. You can take a look Boot and previous and next, and you can buy again. Yes, you can click refresh, and then you can click home to visit the home. Yes, position over. Right now we have just one position and we have a minus 80% position, and market cap is 10,000. Yes, that's it about that. You can buy, sell, and manage. You can click alerts if you need to some alerts and you can click wallet to do something at wallet side, and you can pin some message. For example, click pin, and yes, the message automatically pin it, and you can deep dive to settings. For example, general settings, you can change your languages, auto buy, you can change the amount, auto buy amount, buy buttons config, and slippage config. You can set up and set up everything into the deal, and you can take mail protection into the deal. You can on turbo mode, transaction priority, medium self protection, and that's it. And then you can click close to if you don't want to see that. Yes, that's it about the Bonkbot. If you want to learn any more about the crypto market and opportunities at everywhere, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, join our Telegram, and follow and subscribe our Twitter account is named of Coin Engineers. See you on the next post time.